Oh, no music, no music, no music, people. No music. Not allowed. Just stripping all the fruit. Because I'll probably use this here block to shape the headers. So and position the block in the engine. And I'll use the block to position it in the engine bay. Not needed, no more. When I brought this Milwaukee, I thought here in Australia everything is pretty much 1/2-inch drive. So I had to buy an adapter to make it a 1/2-inch drive. I don't know how good it is, it feels like a toy, but a lot of people seem to have them. Is the right one? Right one for there. Just those two are bigger. Everything is different sizes, you know. Just to piss us mechanics off. Let's make everything different sizes. We don't want to make life easy. That is called a log style manifold, exhaust manifold. All of them going into one piece, a log style manifold. I guess this would still be considered a log style. Look at all the oil leaking down the gasket. I should check this, these, because I put lumpy cams in here, and I never checked the valve crush. When I put the camshafts in the other engine head that is at the machine shop now, we ended up with valve crush, and yeah, we had to work something out to try and stop that. Still don't know exactly how we're going to go with that. I did ask the engineers to seat the valve seats in, you know, a little bit deeper, even 0.5 millimeter more or 1 millimeter more, so that the valve will come up a little bit more on the inside, so we have more travel. That's how big the camshaft is. It opens up all the way. It'll breathe like anything. Okay. I probably won't reuse these bolts. I won't be reusing the guards, that's for sure. Could reuse these on something with the ones that are patched up with industrial sealant adhesive, Sikaflex. 10 years, man, still good. All right, that's the exhaust off. I don't need this flex wheel on there. Very short. It's already dark outside. I would have done more today, but why do metal shavings come out of that? Okay. Must be from there. There's no spring washers on there. Well, that's odd. So yeah, we ended up having to get other stuff ready for the trip. So I didn't end up doing a lot today. Actually, I'll put them back in the crank. I'll put them back in the crank. I always like to put nuts and bolts back, if at all possible. A good old 8-bolt flywheel. At least the crank seal's not leaking. Well, it shouldn't be. I mean, it's been 10 years. Yeah, and I run it pretty rough, so yeah, most of the oil on this engine is from the rocker cover, because the rockers let so much oil through the head. These buggers fill up and the engine loses oil pressure because so much oil comes at the top. They realized that I think 2008 or 2010, when they restricted the oil seepage through the rocker, because they realized that was a problem. Yeah, so they fixed that, I think in 2008 or 2010. What year if they ever fixed the valve seat problem? Is there a particular year that stopped? I don't know. I'm not sure if they ever fix that problem. Or is it only the early model engines that did that? Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to pull too much of the front because I want to know the distances here. But I do need to, I want to get this off. I don't want to use that in the build. I want to remove that. Well, this motor's not going in the next build, but alright, I can just leave it on there. I forget this is not the same motor. Alright, well that's about all I'm going to strip then. Can put the gearbox on next and fit it back in.